your college colors coming in. What's up?
Dr. Sparrow, we gotta talk about something serious.
Okay.
Yeah, have you started planning the lip dub?
You know I plan the lip dub every year at this time. I mean, listen, we are a gold medal school thanks to Maria's class. And listen, our kids are going to top 25 colleges. University of Virginia, Yale University, and kids, Kojo, just like you, transferring AP credit, UConn ECE. And this year, our seniors, #1 in the state of Connecticut amongst all high schools in ELA SAT scores. I mean, Kojo, you guys were #3 a couple years back, but #1. We're excited.
Dr. Sparrow, we're not just talking about the success of the school. We're talking about your health.
My health?
Yeah, Spirit, you just turned 40. You're not exactly as young as you were when I graduated.
You might want to think about seeking some professional help. Like with the working out, you could ask the teachers to train you.
To train me? Yeah. I never thought about training before. I mean, you really think I need it?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, I mean, you're all really smart, but wait, shouldn't you be in college right now? I mean, get to college, guys. I love you. I'll see you later.
This is Operation Lip Dub, no donut!
And they stay there, and they say yeah, and they say there. Up, down, up, down. Cause all I do is win, win, win. And if you going in, put your hands in the air, make them stay there. Oh, what a feeling. Look what we've overcome. Oh, I'm gonna wave my flag. And count all the reasons we are the champions. There ain't no turning back. Saying, oh, can't you taste the feeling? Saying, oh, we all together singing. Look how far we come now. There's beauty in the unity we found. I'm ready. We still got a long way, but look how far we come now. Hands up for your colors. Ready the people, a new day has just begun, and I wear my colors on my back. Yeah, we created equal, one race and that's human. Can't wait till they all see that. Saying, oh, can't you taste the feeling? Saying, oh, we all together singing. Look how far we come now. There's beauty in the unity we found. I'm ready. We still got a long way, but look how far we come now. Hands up for your colors. One hand, two hands for your colors. Show your true colors. Here we go. Here we go. Let's put on the show. Let's put on the show right now. Let me see your hands up. Let me see your hands up. Look how far we come now. There's beauty in the unity we found. I'm ready. We still got a long way, but look how far we come now. Hands up for your colors.